I'm here in the bathroom at La Vie en Rose, and I chose Corian Bath Surfaces for a lot of reasons. We did this remodel in a fairly short period of time, and what I loved is that it just kind of drops into place. I've done showers where there's intricate tile work, and of course I love it, but it takes a lot of time, and that grout, our clients always have an issue. My clients say, how do I keep this grout clean, Christopher? And I'm like, have a good cleaning crew? I don't know what to tell you, but there's no grout in Corian Bath Surfaces, and that's amazing. It's so clean, the corners are coved, no water builds up, and once they came and templated, this was dropped into place in just a couple of hours, which really, when we're finishing a project and we're on timelines, that's so crucial. Of course, it simulates the look of stone without any of the durability issues and the maintenance issues. I love my marble, I love my stone, but it's porous, and things get in there, and clients don't want mildew, and people have allergies, and Corian Bath Surfaces is just easy to maintain, and it just does the job, and it fits the bill every single time.